Well, if you want to become a high-status, high-value, and highly respected alpha male, then this video is going to be the most important and valuable for you, because when you enter a room, what do people notice first? Even before you say a word, your body language, the way you stand, the way you walk, or the space you take up when you sit. A true high-value alpha male knows this very well. Therefore, whenever he enters a room, he walks with the grace of a king, and without saying a word, he simply makes people feel, through his powerful, energetic, and confident body language, that he is a boss. On the other hand, those who cannot use their body language powerfully appear shy, nervous, and weak in front of others. Therefore, in this video, I am going to teach you exactly every powerful body language of high-confident, high-status people, from their foot movements to facial expressions, which you can also easily use to create your own powerful, confident, and highly respected body language so that no one can dare to ignore you in the future. Well, 40 to 50% of your body length is your legs, so how you stand, how you walk, and how you place your feet while sitting matters a lot in showing your body language as dominant or weak. For example, standing in front of someone with your feet close together, hands crossed, and with full attention is a weak and submissive standing position. That's why it is used in situations where you are weaker than the other person, or the other person is more dominant than you. But when you want to look powerful and dominant in front of others, keep your hands and feet as if you are a boss, relaxed and confident. And there are some very powerful ways to do this. First, the wide stance standing position. Both your feet are firmly grounded on the ground at shoulder-width distance. This is a high masculine standing position that signals stability, power, and dominance. That's why it is used when you create a powerful presence of yourself in front of others, because this standing position makes people feel without a word that you are confident and you don't demand but deserve respect. Second, standing with arms akimbo. In the animal kingdom, the biggest and strongest animal is the most respected. Therefore, every animal uses its own different powerful body gestures to appear bigger and more dominant than others. As humans, we can also use exactly such multiple powerful body gestures to appear more dominant. And the most powerful and high-status body gesture among them is arms akimbo. Therefore, you can see that every powerful leader and high-status person uses this body gesture. Although this is a part of powerful body language, if it is not done correctly, it can also make you look weak and nervous. Therefore, it is very important to know the right way to do it. Step 1. Stand straight, shoulders back, and confidently place your hands on your waist, neither up nor down, exactly on your waist. Step 2. Push the elbows straight out, and by mistake, do not keep the elbows back or forward. Step 3. 4 fingers forward and only point the thumbs back. And for maximum impact, use the wide stance standing position with it. But keep in mind that this is a highly aggressive body posture that directly represents dominance and authority. Therefore, always use it correctly in the right place. Third, to become a true high-value alpha man, it is very important for your body language to be attractive as well as dominant. But if you keep your body language close, you will look nervous and weak. On the other hand, if you keep it wide, you will look more dominant and powerful. So what is the perfect body gesture for attractiveness after all? Well, have you heard of the forward foot position? It is a perfect combination of wide, masculine, and attractive body gestures. That's why most celebrities on the red carpet stage use this posture so that they can look both powerful and attractive. But the question is, how to keep your hands with this attractive standing position? Well, for this too, you will have to create a combination of a muscular and attractive body posture. And to do this, you can keep one hand in your pocket and the other hand down. Or if you are in a classy look, you can also keep your hands confidently like this. Many studies show that this standing position is the most attractive for a man. But most importantly, you have to stand straight, shoulders back, and stay confident. This is the fundamental of perfect body language. Well, when you enter a room, the first thing people notice in your body language is your way of walking. This is the one thing that most differentiates a man. With a perfect muscular walking style, you can easily create a powerful and confident presence of yourself in front of people without saying a word. And remember, There is no second chance for the first impression. Therefore, it is very important to walk in a perfect muscular style first. And there are some very powerful ways to do this. First, walking with a muscular shoulder swing. Well, you must have seen that when a small animal or insect is stressed or feels threatened, it makes itself smaller or stiffer. Exactly like this. If someone keeps their shoulders completely fixed while walking, it is not a muscular shoulder swing, and it shows him as a scared, nervous person. Generally, men have more testosterone, so wide shoulders are considered a muscular trait. Studies show that women prefer men with wide shoulders more, and men prefer women with narrow shoulders and wide hips. This shoulder-to-hip ratio has a major impact on our perceived attractiveness. Therefore, a high-status alpha female swings her hips widely while walking to show her femininity, and a high-value alpha male swings his shoulders widely while walking to show his masculinity. Therefore, if you are a man, always walk like a real man, swinging your shoulders confidently while walking. Second, if you want to become a true alpha, always keep your head up. Face every tough situation of life confidently, not by looking down like a weak person and avoiding the world. When you walk with your head bowed in front of others, you show yourself to be lazy, underconfident, and weak. Therefore, your head should always be high in front of anyone, at all times, without any compromise. Third, the best way to show yourself high status and confident is your hand. It can literally make or break your impression. For example, imagine when a girl is judging you or you are going near her. But if you put your hands in your pockets or cross them like most people do, it will show your personality as shy, nervous, and weak in front of her. Many studies have also proven that close body language, such as keeping hands in pockets while walking, is a sign of less approachability and weakness. That's why you must have seen that every powerful leader and politician walks swinging their hands confidently to show their power and dominance to people. Therefore, while walking, swing your hands freely along with your shoulders. And if you want to make this powerful walking style even more attractive, swing one hand and keep the other in your pocket. But most importantly, your thumb should be out, just like James Bond. This will further enhance your attractiveness. Fourth, walk straight with slow and non-reactive head movements. Because when you move your head in every direction while walking, you show people that everything around you is more important than you and your purpose. Therefore, walk like a king, always looking straight at your base confidently. Well, by now you have learned to walk like a true high-value man and stand confidently in front of people like a boss. But if you make a mistake while sitting, all your confidence in front of them will come crashing down in a single second. Therefore, it is important that you also sit like a boss, completely relaxed and confident. And there are also some very powerful body postures to do this. First, take a little space with your hands with boss-level confidence and sit confidently, supporting your hands on something while taking space. For example, if you are near a table, then on the table, or if you are only sitting on a chair, then on your feet, and follow the exact same process while getting up. This simple sitting and standing position will give your body language a high status and dominating look, but you have to keep in mind some very important things while doing this. For example, do not bow your head while sitting, keep your body straight, and keep a confident smile on your face. This will show you as fearless and a highly confident person. Second, the leg over cross position. Well, it can become a very misunderstood, minute posture in many people. For example, you can see the difference in this video. But the question is, how to do a perfect masculine cross-leg posture? Well, for this you have to follow some powerful sitting steps. Step 1. Keep your back straight and your shoulders completely relaxed. Then lift your right leg and cross it over your left leg. But keep in mind that your knees should be completely aligned and comfortable, and make sure that your lower leg is comfortably touching the ground. Step 2. Try to take more space with your hands. If you are sitting on a couch, spread one hand slightly and keep the other on your knees. But if you are sitting on a chair, confidently take space and place your elbows on the armrests of the chair and make such a shape with both your hands. This is a highly powerful and dominating body posture that most high-status and rich people use. That's why your dressing style and confidence must also be high status while using it. But remember, do not use this body language in any kind of relationship. Otherwise, it may show you as arrogant in their eyes. So now the question is, how to sit confidently without looking arrogant in front of them? Well, the third point is to keep both your feet on the ground at shoulder-width distance and your knees outwards, confidently taking space. Well, you know that this is the most comfortable sitting position for a man. That's why a man automatically looks more confident and relaxed with this sitting position. But most importantly, sit straight, shoulders back, and confidently, and never sit in front of anyone with your head bowed or your hands and feet closed. This is the foundation of perfect masculine body language. If you really want to become a high-value alpha man, it is very important for you to have strong leadership skills. And the most important thing for this is strong communication. And many studies have proven that for strong communication, 55% is body language, 38% is voice tone, and only 7% is your word. This simply means that no matter how powerful your words are, if your body language and voice tone are weak, you will not get real respect. But let's talk about a perfect masculine voice tone in a detail later. The most important thing is body language. A perfect body language while talking to someone depends on three most important things: your posture, facial expressions, and your hand movements. Therefore, I have already told you in detail about exactly every powerful body posture of high-status people. And I have also told you that it is very important for perfect facial expressions to have a confident and fearless smile on your face. So now the last and most important point is hand movements, which are so powerful that it can make any of your words 50% more effective and impactful. Therefore, every successful businessman, politician, and influencer uses this body language to make their words more impactful. But this does not mean at all that you keep moving your hands in any direction while talking. No, this will make you look even more nervous and weak. Actually, a combination of effective hand movements depends on four main things: points, sweeps, frames, and cuts, which should be completely aligned with your words. For example, first is the point. It is used when you want to draw the attention of others to a person or your words. And two types of hand movements are used for this: one finger point, the other hand point. You can use the finger point when you want to give importance to a word. For example, when you say, "I want to make this point clear here," the finger point emphasizes that this is important. And you can use the hand point when you want to point to a person. But remember, never point out a person with your finger. This will make you look arrogant and aggressive. Second is sweeps. It is generally used for broad statements. For example, "We cannot even imagine how many possibilities there are in the world." Here, the sweep represents a broad possibility. Third is frames. It generally represents the timeline, length, or weight in a sentence. For example, this project will be completed in 2 phases. The first phase from January to March, and the second phase from April to June. Here, the timeline is simply represented. Fourth is cuts. It is generally used in non-negotiable sentences. For example, "I will not allow this," or "This is enough." You can see any great speaker in the world, they all use a combination of these gestures to make their communication and body language stronger and more powerful. So friends, this was a complete muscular body language guide to make you more confident, more attractive, and highly respected. Now the choice is in your hands. If you really want to become a high-value alpha man, take these points seriously. Always stay away from close body language, walk slowly, speak slowly, and make more eye contact. I guarantee that if you use these important points wisely, you will soon become such a powerful boss that everyone will be forced to look at you with respect and respect. Thanks for watching.